Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, top cover, and display panel assembly. Removal. Separate the display bezel from the display enclosure using your fingernails or flat-edged, non-marring tool. Starting at the top, around the sides, and then at the bottom. Carefully unclip the hinge cover from the display enclosure. Lift the display bezel off of the display enclosure and remove it. Replacement. Align the hinge cover with the hinges and place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Press down firmly along the edges until the hinge cover and display bezel are fully attached to the display enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.